Hey everyone, I've got a quick how-to for replacing this Whirlpool dishwasher rack. They seem to break like this a lot because this replacement kit is very popular. So I'm going to show you, you just need a screwdriver and a set of pliers and the replacement kit. First, pull off these slide stops. They just got a little snap fitting, and set those aside because we need to install them later. Then pull the whole top rack off of the rollers. Then you've got to take off your individual adjustment assembly that's already on there. It's pretty easy. This took me a total of 5.5 minutes for both sides. You just unsnap stuff in the order. You do need a pair of pliers for this snap fitting to back it out, and then just pull it out the back. Once you've got that free, you can just wiggle loose this assembly right here, and then pop apart the top portion and pull the back off, and you're done. Do that for the other side. So now it's time to install the new kit. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and I bought separate stainless steel screws for this. They are sheet metal screws, number 8 by 3/4 inches. The ones that come with the kit are not stainless. They are zinc coated and they may rust. So I recommend using your own screws for this. Then you count 4 slots over from the back of the rack, slip this metal part through and make sure the rollers are facing outward. Then you take these little clips, put them between the wire racks, and then there's a snap fit that just slides over top of that metal part. Do this for the front and the back. So that one just slips right in too, and you'll hear a nice little click when you get it in. Then you take this tall upright plastic piece and slide it down over top of the metal upright. Then make sure the wire rack fits in the grooves in that plastic piece. Then you've got your adjustment linkage here. Make sure there's a left and a right side. Make sure you've got that push button facing to the front of the rack. Then slip it between that plastic upright and the wire. There's a spot for it, and then make sure it can kind of actuate there while you've got it. Then you've got the cover. It's got a groove on the top here and a tab that fits into that. Slide that up and in and pop it into place. It kind of snaps in there when you get it. And then you've got the 2 screws to fasten to this. It helps if you have a ratcheting screwdriver with this or a cordless screw gun, as long as you set it on a very low torque setting because you don't want to strip out the plastic holes. You do have to self-thread the screws in here. And that's as simple as that. You're done. Just repeat it for the other side and then check the fit and make sure it adjusts and catches where it should at the top and the bottom settings. So this replacement really is that easy. It took me 5.5 minutes to disassemble the old fittings and then 9.5 minutes to put the new ones on. So the whole thing was done in 15 minutes. Super simple. Anyone can do this. You just need a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. So slide everything back in. Make sure you get those clips, the stops, clipped back in for the front of the rack because otherwise the whole thing will just come sliding out. And then check function. This has been working great for us for a few weeks already since the replacement, so I highly recommend it.